Hey guys, it's Jack, and this is my video review of the Syma S026G Mini Chinook remote control helicopter. This isn't your typical remote control helicopter. This one has two main sets of rotor blades, and they each have balance bars, as you'll usually see in most remote control helicopters. And it has four wheels on the bottom, but they don't actually move, so don't expect that. And although there are windows, there's nothing inside there to look at. Those just for the design and to make it look like the real model. And everything else is mostly just part of the model. There's no other real good features of it. Here's your controller. It's the typical Syma controller with your spring-loaded throttle on the left, and on the right you have your spring-loaded forward, backward, left, and right, but you can move it around however you wish. This controller also comes with a very neat feature with forward and backward trim. So if it's going forward, you can press the backward button a few times, and if it's going backward, you can press the forward button a few times. This also comes with a band selection, so you can have up to 3 helicopters in the room. You have your usual left and right trim, so if it's turning left or right, you can adjust that. And of course, charging. The controller takes 6 AA batteries, but you can charge the helicopter by sliding back the panel on the back and plugging it into the helicopter. And it will charge straight from the controller. But if you don't want to suck all the juice out of your controller, the helicopter comes with a USB cord. So you just plug one end into the helicopter, the other end into a USB port, and you are ready to go. I use the USB adapter for my iPad. Whenever you plug it in the wall, the cord should light up. You plug your helicopter in and the light turns off. Whenever the light turns on again, it means your helicopter is fully charged. Now let's see it fly. The Syma S026G Mini Chinook flies great. I would almost say it is crash proof, but don't intentionally try to crash it. So to sum it all up, the Syma S026G Mini Chinook remote control helicopter flies great, is very stable, and is almost crash proof. I would recommend this to almost anyone with a little bit of flight experience. If you've ever flown a Syma product, you'll be a pro, but anybody can pick up this easy, amazing helicopter.